Hello everybody. So today we're playing a game called Clustertruck. So basically this is the game all the clickbaiters use, but you know how I'm not a clickbaiter, so we're just playing for fun. Campaign. So I'm already in winter, so let's go all the way back. All the way back. Desert, World 1, let's try it out. No. Hold on. Let's not do this, get out of here. I guess we have to beat the level until we're able to go to anyone. You know, guys, I can just ride this. I can just ride it over there. Oh, look at that truck. Main menu. Hold on. Campaign. Let's go all the way back to the winter. No, I didn't mean to do that. So I recently discovered a technique to get over the logs. Just stand on the hood. Oh, never mind. Just stand on the hood of the car. No. Stand on the hood. That should work. Oh, hi driver. Yeah. Guess I should actually... Ah. No! Oh! Let's try that little technique. No. Holy shell Silverstein. Hold on. Oh. Oh my. No! Oh my god. Boom! No. Hold on. Why is it like this? I want it to be... I want it to win. I want to win. Do a little twirl. Let's get close. Okay, let's sit right here. Yeah! Oh no. Oh my gosh! Get out of my way! Oh, there it is! It's over there! No! Hold on, I want... Yeah, that old move. It sends you flying. Just sit right here. Just let all the cars... Oh, uh-oh, I was trying to slip. Ooh, that was bad. Truck jump. Go over here. Oh! Okay, let's get a big jump. Like that. Oh. Get real. Launch! No! Okay, let's just go over here. Like that. No! Oh! I made it for a second. Sit right here. Sit right here. We might make it. We might make it! All the trucks, they just pile up. No! That was a good move. Oh. That was not a good move. What was that? Oh. Oh. Why is this level so hard? We're not through. Oh, we're through. We're through. Oh. No, we're going the wrong way. Oh, look at that truck. I'm going to attempt to jump over the log. That went terribly. Oh, that was bad. I slipped. Oh my god! Ooh. Oh my god. What is happening? You could literally just hear the little squish when I hit the ground. Sorry about that. No! Okay, that was... even though I died, that was pretty cool. How do I beat this? I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go to the net. Just sit right here. You'll eventually make it. Why'd I do that? Hold on. Okay, sit right here. Like, don't get hit. We're past it. I can't beat that part. Oh. Oh, that was bad. Yo, that no. Yes. No. I'm gonna try. What? No. Oh, if I knew that was there, everything would have been a lot better. Okay, let's just restart winter. Okay. Okay, Lana, no. So we're done in the forest. We're in winter now. I honestly don't really like winter. It isn't that fun. No. Oh, no! Okay. So today at school, I had a good day. Did you guys have a good day at your school if you go to school? Nah! Okay, so that, you guys didn't see that. That was, no. Hey, now we just ride our way there. We did it! Yeah! Oh, what are these spinny things? Okay, do I just land? No. Okay, come on. Yeah! Oh my god, there's more? Oh, I could just hear it impaling. What was that? Airtime! Oh my gosh, we're gonna make it! I hope! Okay. Clip that, or whatever they say on Twitch. Whoa! Oh my god, what is that thing? Oh, okay, good. Okay, I made my way through. That sounded horrible. That sounded painfully horribly bad. I jump, I glide. I jump, I glide. I jump, What was that? I used to be so good at this. Oh, okay, that was perfect. Come on, make it on. Oh, okay, I'm gonna fall off. I'm gonna fall off. What? No. That was pretty cool, though. Yes, no! That was bad. Come on. Yes! What? No! I gotta like not land right there. I have to land on the top. Try through there. Yes! Oh no! So I gotta be a lot careful on that side. Okay, try and make it on the second one. Yeah! Oh! Come on! Yeah! Okay, get a nice run up. Oh yeah! We did it! It was the goal! Yeah! We won! Style points, 32,000. What are those? What are those? Oh my! Hey, I survived. Oh, I'm getting really far already. Oh, never mind. Okay, you guys can see that. No. No. I went a little bit too far there. Oh my god. Oh! That was a bit too far, but I did it. Oh, that was bad. Uh-oh. Ooh. Okay, so. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah! I didn't even need to move and I made it. No! No! That was the same fate as last time. Did you guys hear that? It sounded like something broke. Probably because something did break. Uh-oh. Land, finally! Uh-oh. Oh, don't kill me! Oh, I didn't kill me. Oh, gosh. Now they're going that way? Hey, there's the goal! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my God. No! Yeah! What? No, man down. What is this level? Do I have to, like... What? That's gonna be hard. Oh, no. I had it there for a second. Oh, what was that? I was so close. Oh. Okay, so I have a little technique. I'm gonna go closer up and then jump down. That's not gonna work. Okay, so there's so many. Stop honking at me. I want to know, how did all these trucks get here and why are we jumping on them? Life's greatest mysteries. No! 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 Ladies and gentlemen, today we are, jumping trucks. I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Truck Jumping Express. We got jumping spots and oh gosh, we're crashing! Cluster. Uh-oh. Clustertruck away! Oh. Okay, so I have a little technique. What if I get one of the power boosts like that? Ooh, hold on. Okay, main menu. Wait. Back trucks to the latest truck. You can what? What? Grappling hook? What? Boost truck below the player. Epic. What? Let the player do some mad. What is this? Double jump. I need that. Quick air dash that is perfect for closing short gaps. I got both of them. Play. Oh, what about my double jump? No. This is... I wish, honestly, I didn't get that. I did it! Oh, finally! Okay, we have to land on more. Oh, this isn't gonna be fun. No! Oh, what was that? Hold on, no. Okay, guys, I think that's where we should wrap it up. Yeah. Bye-bye, and I'll see you in another video.